Hello. Welcome to Mind Yeti. Our minds have different kinds of hubbubbles. Thoughts, feelings, and sensations. Our feeling hubbubbles are all the different emotions or feelings like sadness, happiness, or anger that we feel every day. Today, we'll take some time to notice our feeling hubbubbles. Before we begin, take a moment to sit comfortably with your back straight and your feet or legs resting on the floor. Feel how the floor or your chair supports you as you sit. We call this your Yeti body. You can close your eyes if you want. Now take a deep breath in and let it go. We have many different feelings, changing day to day or even from moment to moment. Some feelings are comfortable and some are uncomfortable, but all feelings are okay. Now, we're going to practice noticing our feelings as they happen. Imagine you're playing a game with friends. You're trying really hard to win, and at first it looks like you just might. But in the end, you lose. Now, take a moment. How do you feel? Is it uncomfortable? Do you feel sad or disappointed? Okay, now return your attention to your breath. Take a slow breath in and out. Now, imagine someone really special has come to see you. You open your door, and there they are, smiling at you, so happy to see you. Take a moment and picture that in your mind. Notice how you feel. Do you notice a warm feeling? Okay, now return your attention to your breath. Take a slow breath in and out. Noticing our feelings helps us know ourselves better. It also helps us make better choices. Before you go, check in with your mind and body. What feelings do you notice? Take one more slow breath. When you're ready, open your eyes and bring your attention back to the room.